All right, we're taking a look at a 2019 Ford Explorer. This is an XLT model. It's got that, what looks like to me, they're like a Wimbledon white. Very, very nice. Just take a walk around it here. Now with the XLT, you're going to get a lot of little extras that just make the vehicle nicer, more comfortable. Explorer, of course, is the little brother to the Expedition, although their numbers are, they sell a lot more of them. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Very comfortable, very easy to get into. Ford's very simplified dash with, of course, driver information as well once you turn it on. Pretty intuitive overall. Volume, obviously, changing channels. Just about anything you do. Pretty intuitive. It's within reach. Not a big strain even to get over in the glove box. Again, multi-level. There we go. Oh, we got some almonds or something in there. That's what you get at a car show. They'll clean it up, I'm sure. Again, never been in this vehicle. Pretty much can tell what all the knobs and buttons do. Very intuitive. Very, very nicely decorated. Very attractive. There is clearly room in the second row. Let's go ahead and take a look. Again, the wide swinging doors have been popular as of late. There we go. Oh, it's a 3-row. Oh, very nice. You get 3 rows of seating. 2 in the back, 3 in the middle, 2 in the front. It's a nice 7-passenger vehicle. Of course, they take the power out of these at the car shows, but as you can see, not a ton of space in the far back, but there is enough to get a couple of pieces of luggage or some groceries. Fold those down and you can obviously get quite a bit more. So let's just get another big overview shot here of the new Ford Explorer. Very, very nice vehicle.